Okay, here are the charger. This is the next part of the charger. Accessories. Oh. Book cover. Pouch. Keyboard dock. Bluetooth keyboard. Screen protector. Desktop dock. USB connector kit. USB connector. Okay, the connector cable, and can be the charger connector from okay, that's the most important part of this unboxing. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.